The first to bring you the hottest DJ gear on the planet. New product introduction. Real DJs, real service. We are agiprodj.com.
Hey, what's up everybody? It's Ty from AGI Pro DJ live from our headquarters. I'm proud to show you the brand new Rane 72 Mark II and 12 Mark II. There's some pretty significant features with these new units. Without further ado, let's take a closer look. So here they are, the updated yet familiar 72 Mark II and 12 Mark II. Let's start off with the 72. As you can see, it's quite similar to its predecessor. Same layout, same screen, beautiful RGB pads and gobs of controls, all metal construction, what we've all known to love and expect from Rane. What has changed on the MKII iteration are as follows. The 72 Mark II now ships with 3 Mag 4 faders, each with reverse, contour, and cut-in adjustment. You now have a physical external tension adjust control in addition to internal adjustments. Rane has added a toggle for instant doubles, silent cue, and sync controls. Lastly, the Mark II offers dual DVS inputs, allowing you to connect via aux or phono CD. These are some subtle but significant changes in the new Mark II version. It's very clear to us that Rane's been listening to DJs that use and love their products. Now on to the 12. Things are a bit more significant in the change department on its Mark II version. In addition to supporting Serato DJ Pro, the 12 Mark II now adds tractor and virtual DJ control, but there's a bit of a twist. While offering USB control, the Mark II now offers DVS control made possible by the onboard DSP and RCA audio outputs. You can choose your mode via the new onboard OLED display and infinite rotary encoder. Scroll between USB and DVS modes. Whether you are in DVS or USB, the OLED display will show you the BPM of the track that you're playing. The 12 Mark II now includes an infinite rotary controller for navigation and scroll plus load, a back button, and an instant doubles button right on the face of the controller. Lastly, the Mark II update offers a new plunger-style start-stop button, which gives you a more familiar feel. That rounds out the list of upgrades found in the new Mark II versions of the Rane 72 mixer and 12 controller. To be honest, the updates on the 12 are fairly significant, in our opinion. The addition of DVS gives DJs the ability to have more traditional vinyl feel over the previous HID USB mode. We feel that this feature is going to be toward the top of the list for some DJs that just couldn't get on board with HID mode, and we know there's a few of them, we've heard. Clearly, Rane has listened and delivered. The other subtle yet satisfying upgrade on the Rane 12 Mark II is the new start-stop button. It seems small, it seems insignificant, but it just kind of made you grin when you press the button. It feels good. It feels really good. It feels like the other 1200, that's what I mean. I thought this was a really nice touch and a great little improvement on the Mark II version. While we've only had a few hours on the new Mark II upgrades, and by the way, a huge thank you to Rane for supplying us with these early release units. We're really feeling these Mark II versions. These are available now and ready to ship. Let's talk price for just a sec. The Rane 72 Mark II mixer has an internet price of $18.99, same as its predecessor. The 12 Mark II comes in at $100 more, which will cover that OLED screen, new controls, and onboard DSP, providing us the new DVS mode. All in all, we feel that Rane has really knocked it out of the park with these Mark II units, making something already wonderful even better. Look out for more in-depth videos on both units from AGI Pro DJ in the very near future. Meanwhile, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and make sure you hit that little bell to be notified when we release new videos. Don't forget you can shop with us online, agiprodj.com, and follow us on social media, AGI Pro DJ. Thanks so much for watching. I'm DJ Ty, and we'll see you next time.